Review for the sunscreen Biore UV Aqua Rich based on the ChatGPT sunscreens checklist. So let's go from the pros to cons of this Biore UV Aqua Rich sunscreen. So first thing is like broad spectrum protection. Yes, it gives the broad spectrum protection and the SPF 50 plus and PA 4 plus, and it actually water resistant sunscreen and which lasts for 80 minutes, and I could say it's last very good because I'm not the person who reapplies the sunscreen every 3 hours or so. I could say it does the protection in a very better way than any other sunscreen in the market. And skin friendly ingredients, actually yes, it's not actually a physical sunscreen, it's a chemical sunscreen which also does protection in a very decent ingredients. And next thing is like reef safe formula. Yeah, it obviously doesn't contain oxybenzone and oxynoxate. And last point is like whether it is a matte or lightweight formula. I find it is little bit of oily, so if you are the person who is expecting for a matte sunscreen, I don't really suggest the sunscreen. But also for the people with normal skin, you can really go for the sunscreen because after 15 minutes it really leaves a very good dewy finish of the sunscreen. And coming to the cons, so it doesn't contain the harmful chemical filters and there is no white cast at all, and greasy or heavy feel sometimes, yes, so it depends on the humidity of your place. So short longevity, there is no requirement of reapplying the sunscreen very frequently else for 3 hours. And the fragrance and alcohol content, I find it's bit of that smell is pretty alcohol smell. So if you are okay with the fragrance, you can definitely go for the sunscreen. And overpriced product, it doesn't seems to be that overpriced, but as if it is a Japanese sunscreen, so it retails for 1200 for 70 gram, which is pretty decent I think, and which comes for much longer period.